automatic air conditioning system and climate control with navigation. Climate controls are as follows. Auto mode will automatically control fan speed, maintain your desired temperature, and dehumidify the air. Adjust the temperature up or down, or push the voice command button.
After the beep, please say a command.
You must wait until after the beep to say a command. You can push the button at any time to interrupt the voice guidance and say a command, such as a temperature. 72 degrees.
72 degrees.
Push menu, then select climate to view the climate control screen. Dual allows separate temperature settings for driver and passenger. Cool and dehumidify. Airflow. Fan speed. Windshield defogger. Side rear view mirror and back window defogger. Recirculate air. Automatic selection between recirculated and outside air. Outside air. Please refer to your quick guide for a list of available voice commands.